you dumbass. Oh. Stop, bitch. My fault, guys. He's sorry. He's black. Sorry, ma'am.
You said what?
Why in the world do you not have any respect for people around you?
What are you talking about?
Don't act like an idiot. You're not an idiot.
I'm not.
Well, act like it.
I am acting like it. All I am is getting fried chicken.
Ma'am, we're not bothering nobody.
You are though.
How?
Okay, how am I bothering you, ma'am?
How are we bothering you? You came up to us.
What's driving you so crazy?
We wasn't bothering you at all. You came up to us and approached us. I don't even know who you are. You came up.
Ma'am, God bless, ma'am.
So chat, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn English words and phrases with Kai Cenat. Going back to the first clip when the woman came up to Kai and Speed while they were shopping, Kai annoyed asks the woman,
how are we bothering you? You came up to us.
What's driving you so
we
crazy?
wasn't bothering.
When someone asks, what's driving you so crazy? They are asking, what is making you feel very frustrated, annoyed, or stressed right now? In English, the verb to drive doesn't always involve a car. In this context, it means to force someone into a specific state of mind. You usually say this when you notice someone is acting upset, pacing around, or complaining a lot. Just like the woman. Let's go to the next part of the clip.
We wasn't bothering you at all. You came up to us and approached us. I don't even know who you are. You came up.
To approach means to come closer to someone or something. When you say, you approached us, you mean, you walked up to where we were and started a conversation or interaction.
Jamaican Avengers chat. Avengers are saying about my club. We have to beat the biggest villain of them all. Who are the biggest villain? The ultimate curry code.
Is the poison, snake poison.
Okay, why the fuck would I drink snake poison? Are you trying to
This is the snake vial.
Bro, this nigga think I'm stupid or some shit.
This is snake blood.
Bro, who the fuck you think you thinking, Tony? Who are you fooling, bro?
Who are you fooling? Is an informal question used when you think someone is lying, pretending, or trying to trick others, and it's not working. It means you're not fooling anyone. I don't believe you. You say it when someone is acting in a way that seems fake, exaggerated, or obviously untrue.
You got me. Wait, hold on. So they be like this, look. I do.
He is he's insane, bro. He's insane. He's insane, bro.
Yeah, he'd be so cool, like Duke.
But this your man, so this y'all man.
People say you're insane when they are surprised or shocked. It can be said as a joke, playfully, or angrily, depending on tone. It does not always mean the person has a mental illness. It means the idea/action is crazy or extreme.
You serious?
Why he just enter like that, yo.
What? Are you?
Get up!
Oh my God!
Get off is a common English phrasal verb that can mean different things depending on the situation, which is why it can sound confusing at first. At its most basic level, it means to leave or move away. For example, when someone says get off the table, they are telling you to remove yourself from the table, often in a firm or annoyed tone. It is also widely used for exiting transportation, such as I get off the bus at the next stop, where it simply means to leave the vehicle. In everyday conversation, get off can also mean to stop bothering or pressuring someone, as in get off my back, which doesn't involve physical movement at all, but instead asks for personal space. Another common use appears in work or school settings, where get off means to finish for the day, like I get off work at 5.
Get off of me!
You should take this live
on stream, me and you, right? You a nigga, man. He's a no, me and you go. Wait, look though. No, we should have for A&B sleepover. Yo, A&B sleepover too.
Sleepover is a warm, friendly phrase in English that simply means spending the night at someone else's house instead of going home. Kids use it to describe fun nights with friends, but adults use it too, whether they're visiting relatives or staying somewhere because it's easier than traveling back.
Worst thing is you're 19.
19.
Nah, it's bad though, I ain't gonna lie.
He not lying, he knows it's bad.
He said it's bad, I ain't gonna lie.
Ray got the mind.
You got me, I was like here, like.
No, gang, you was here.
Like, you got me turning down, but you putting me down, bro. I was like, I was about to get mature. You got me putting me down. Like, I feel like I'm 17 right now. You. How am I making you immature, bro? Like, bro, I feel bad myself.
The word immature refers to behavior that isn't grown up, maybe being overly dramatic, silly, or reacting emotionally. When someone asks,
how am I making you immature, bro?
They're questioning why the other person believes they're causing childish behavior. It's a mix of confusion and curiosity, almost like saying, what exactly am I doing that makes you act like a kid?
So what's New Jersey? They got Mish.
Yeah.
Bro, hey!
Hey!
Bro.
Nah, what about this call? No, it's called.
Yo, Ray. Yo, these shaking his Ray, you gotta chill, bro.
Doing that.
Ray,
Stop doing that. Stop. No, stop doing that. Come sit right here. Come sit right here.
When someone says chill or chill out, they're basically telling you to calm down, breathe, and stop letting your emotions run wild. But the word does more than just ask for calm. It can describe a whole mood. If someone says they're just chilling, it means they're relaxing, taking it slow, maybe watching a show or hanging out with friends without any stress.
All right, so
are you nervous? Do I make you nervous?
Get the fuck out of here. You don't make me nervous. The fuck?
Do I? Just keep it a bean.
No, you don't make me nervous.
So why you fondling with stuff?
Because I want to. Because I want to. I like the bag. I want to touch on the bag. Let me touch on the bag.
Y'all think he nervous?
I'm not nervous.
So why you falling in with the bag when
because I want to.
When someone asks, are you nervous? They're really checking to see if that familiar mix of worry, excitement, and tiny butterflies in your stomach has shown up. The word nervous describes that tense, jumpy feeling people get before something important, like an exam, a job interview, or even talking to someone they like. It's the moment when your hands feel a bit shaky, your heart beats a little faster, and your mind starts imagining everything that could go wrong. When someone asks, why are you fondling with stuff? They're usually reacting to the way a person keeps touching, fiddling, or playing with objects for no clear reason. The word fondling literally means touching something gently with your fingers, almost in a slow or careful way.
Oh, I like this. How much? How much is it? 15,000.
No. It's illegal street life. You have to price it down.
What do you mean?
You have to
price it down. So negotiate, though.
Yeah, you negotiate.
So make sure we negotiate, though.
Negotiate.
Okay, so let's negotiate.
No negotiate.
Come on, no.
No put O behind everything.
Okay, my fault. Okay, sorry,
yeah,
bro.
Negotiate. Say you want Nike. Say you want Nike.
Nike.
He said 15K. Say you want 9.
9?
Say you want 9. Say you want 9.
I could do 9. 9 I could do. Oh fuck! He said 15.
Say you don't want. Say you don't want. Just you have to be stubborn, bro.
Okay. So
negotiate is a word that describes the process of talking with someone to find an agreement that works for both sides. When you negotiate, you discuss your needs, listen to the other person's point of view, and try to find a middle ground where everyone feels satisfied.